Good afternoon. This is Brett Hayworth for Siouxland Public Media News. Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds is suing the Des Moines Register to stop it from seeking certain emails from her staff under the state's open records law. According to the complaint, a Register reporter requested emails between 6 employees of the governor's office that included the terms Lutheran and money laundering, among other terms. The governor's office produced more than 800 pages of documents but withheld 4 emails, citing executive privilege. An attorney responded on behalf of the Register, saying that's not an exemption under public records law, and it wouldn't even apply because the governor wasn't copied on those emails. Reynolds is now asking a court to block the Register from demanding those emails. Additionally, a bill championed by Reynolds aimed at improving access to full-day 4-year-old preschool passed the Senate this week. It would use $16 million of existing child care funds to launch new partnerships for full-day care, among other changes. Some child care providers and Democrats are concerned that shifting and changing various early education funds will defund existing programs. Rachel Rockwell leads a Johnson County nonprofit that runs 2 child care centers which already provide full-day preschool. She says the funding changes could jeopardize about $650,000 of state grants they've gotten in the past. Republican State Senator Lynn Evans said the bill shouldn't lead to a loss of funding and that it will bring more efficiency, consistency, and access to preschool. That bill is now pending in the Iowa House. Additionally, as measles spread across the United States, a partnership in Iowa is bringing a vaccination awareness campaign to connect refugee and immigrant communities with their doctors. Refugee and Immigrant Voices in Action, or REVA, is partnering with groups including small businesses and local health providers to prevent misinformation about measles. The campaign spokesperson says REVA learned how to navigate public health communications from their experiences with COVID. In other news, Iowa schools will be allowed to have new teams for addressing safety threats from students under a bill that has been passed to the desk of Reynolds for possible signing into law. The bill would also let state agencies and schools share information on students they believe pose a threat to others. The teams could include law enforcement, school officials, social workers, mental health professionals, and people from juvenile court services. Public, private, and charter schools would be allowed to have the teams under the bill. The measure has passed both legislative chambers, including the Iowa House, on Monday. For Siouxland Public Media News, I'm Brett Hayworth.